How to fix chat message limit rich TikTok. If any day you see a problem like this, do not worry as we have got the solution. First of all, open TikTok on your device. After that, go to the profile section on the down right on the very application of TikTok. And after you tap on the section of profile, you will see a screen like this. Now go to the three lines on the top right and go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down until you find the option of free up space and then tap on free up space and you can see whether there is any cache or downloads, and if there is any cache or downloads you have to clear it, but if there is not any then you can go back and you can just scroll down. Again, you can go to the profile section, again to the top right in the settings and privacy, and scroll down until you find the option of log out, and you have to log out the very app of TikTok. So this way your problem will be solved. But if your problem does not get solved by this, do not worry, there is another method as well. Now close the very TikTok app and then wait for just 24 hours to 48 hours, and after 24 or 48 hours you may be able to send the message again and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.